Tastes like mojito, almost. Basically has, let me check the ingredients. I'm trying to find an English one, but there is no English on it. Yep, no English. But as you can see on the pictures, there is pear, lime, and lemon. So I don't know if there is mint or not, because as I said, it kind of tastes a little like it. But it's pretty good. And I got 2 protein bars. One is this one and one is this one. Not familiar, it's because they're Iranian brands. So this one is peanut butter and dark chocolate, basically the main ingredient. This one has cocoa powder, like again dark chocolate, and it has caramel. So which one should I go with first? I don't know what, but I'm kind of craving caramel, so I think I'm gonna try this one. It's kind of been a habit for me that after like workout, after my Pilates class, I would basically go and grab a coffee or matcha, but with a snack or a sandwich, which is healthy and all that stuff. But today I was craving for like drink version, so I just went into, thank you. So I just basically went into the supermarket and I got this drink with a protein bar, and yeah, let's taste this. It's good, yeah. And the weather really randomly decided to get really hot and sunny in the morning. Like I woke up at 6 a.m. today. I have a grand bazaar over here for flowers, and it's really enjoyable and nice, and it feels really nice when you go there. So I wanted to go there and buy some stuff that I wanted for decorating my half scene, which is basically the Iranians culture's Eid coming up, which is their new year. And instead of any trees or anything like that that we Christians have, they have half scene. There's basically 7 things that starts with S, and it's like apple, vinegar, garlic, all this stuff starts with S in Persian. And it's so cute, and I want to decorate one. I like every single year I decorate one for our house. I don't know, it gives me such a good vibe, and the energy that it has. I don't know, I really love different cultures and different New Year's that they celebrate. So because we live in Iran, we are more likely to like kind of celebrate it and be aware of that culture more. So yeah, and it's gonna be a long holiday because we're gonna be off for 15 days. I mean the entire country. I have a girls trip coming up for the 8th. I'm super excited for that, and of course we're gonna have a vlog for that. We'll give you an Isfahan vlog, of course, because it's one of the most beautiful countries in Iran, and it has such a historical places and a very ancient history. So yeah, I just lost the topic that I was talking about. I just wanted to say that in the morning it was raining like cats and dogs, and suddenly now it's really sunny and it's hot. It feels like summer. Almost spring, not summer. Yeah, like I can't be normal for a few seconds, I guess, and not be clumsy. Like, let me show you. This is exactly what happened. And it's under here, like, can you see that? I just wanted to drink something and I just dropped it, and oh my god, now I have to clean my car. Perfect. And myself. Very good. And this one is?
Nail.
Nail. Excellent. And we
Pay.
have pay. Good job. So the sound is?
A.
A. This comes at the end, and this comes in the middle.
Middle.
Give me a high five. Good job. So as I always say, before you go to like shower, it's good to brush your hair, and even if it's curly as mine is, but if you have a good hair care routine, your hair is gonna be detangled and it's gonna brush so easily, as you can see. And this is day 5 actually. Okay, you might know this, you might not, I don't know, but I live in Iran and we do not have any Sephora, Ulta, or like any kind of store like that, and we have to order it online from like other countries and like find someone who brings it to us, or like online shops who works with other countries and they bring the products. And anyway, today I went to Grand Bazaar because of our job and I treated myself and I bought I'm so happy. I can cry right now. I'm literally obsessed. This tiny little Laneige. Let's open it together. Literally, I'm so... Oh, they're so tiny. Oh my god. How cute is this? Oh my god, this is so... Oh, they smell like heaven. Oh my god. Wow, wow, wow. Whoa. But can I? Oh, okay. My cuties. Which one should I start with? I think I'm gonna go with orange one because I want the others to last longer. Nice. Oh, and I got something else. Let me show you. I got this cute bow. So cute. Got this cute pajamas. Like, look at this. How cute is it? It has rabbit. It has strawberries. It has little hearts, little bow on it. This is so cute. And it's satin. This is my first time ever buying satin PJs. Like, I wanted to buy one for so long, actually. How cute. And finally I did, and I hope that they would be comfortable. And I got something else. Finally got my hands on this. This is Anwa niacinamide, which is pretty trendy and everyone's talking about it. Everyone's using it. I'm obsessed with Ordinary's niacinamide, and I've been using that for so long, about 3 years, and I've seen amazing results from. But this time I decided that when I finish that, I'm gonna open one of these. So of course I got one.